A dense white haze lifts off the surface of the alien lunar city. As the sun's rays bring us light over the biggest secret ever kept from any human in history. We will continue to believe the lies that were handed to us until our race evolves on its own. This will remain a secret forever. There are two things that would end immediately: our corrupt system and ways of managing people. And religion would also be abolished. And a new understanding, a new advanced society would begin its evolution, an understanding of the massive deception, secrets that were held from us. Whichever group or association that is secretive, if any, here on Earth, know about these installations, they know since long ago that these installations and the surface of the moon was made to stump our eyes, so that it would not bring attention to us that there was installations and an entire species on the moon. And the ones holding the secrets here on Earth know exactly that if anyone tries to tell the truth to the entire world, that person will be made a mockery of. If ever that person is able to get through the wall of elite and corrupt media association, etc., managing, they would be killed immediately. The only proof we need to know if this is an installation are that these two basins are exactly the same, both symmetrically in size and height. This is an installation, again, made to stump our eyes. It's not made for us to be invited there. If someone does not bring you to the attention that there are structures and installations in this manner on the surface of this type, no one's going to see it. See if you can find the Black Tower. Now again, what is this that we see here? A tunnel or structure. It's definitely a tunnel or pipe. It's going for many hundreds, and if not over 1,000 kilometers long. This is very, very apparent that something was built on the surface of the moon once again. Are you seeing all the tunnels and pipes going from a supposed rock to rock? Like literally, can you see that? Every rock has a pipe or tunnel sticking out of it. It's got entrances, every one of them. Okay, so what is this platform, spiral, oval shape that was built here on the surface of the moon that everyone goes, oh, look at the crater with these platforms in it? What is this? Now, why the heck is there a tunnel coming out of a rock? It's not a rock, it's all structures. There are no rocks on the moon, I don't think. And by the way, we are still in the frame with the black tower on the left. See how you can never see it?